How to turn on fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top and then settings, and here you will find accounts and then click privacy and scroll down until you find fingerprint lock and click on it. Here you will find it. All you need to do is just click on it here and put your finger, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.